Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity with Color Combos with Crystal. Today we are doing a watercolor stamping. That's right, we are stamping with our watercolors. For this we are going to be using the I Am With You, and we're going to be using the sentiment from this gorgeous kit. It's just very uplifting and fun. And then for the flowers we're using Step Out Peony. For this you will also need the following products. You're going to need some waterproof ink, your Misty, a water brush, and of course watercolors. To begin, we're going to be placing our cardstock, and I'm not using watercolor paper. This is just normal 110 cardstock cut, and we are going to layer our watercolor directly onto our stamp, trying to do a little bit of an ombre. And we're going to be using second generation stamping by stamping it twice, cleaning off our stamp, and then coming in and adding more color. Now we're going to continue moving the placement of the flowers and of the leaves, cleaning them off, changing the color, and we're going to continue to do this all around this cardstock. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to speed up the coloring. You can allow a little bit of time to dry, but I just like layering those colors. Then with a really light blue, I'm going to come in and color where we have the white edges in between the flowers and the leaves. Once that's dry, we're going to be using our waterproof ink and some vellum. We're going to place our sentiment on the vellum. We're going to get it on the Misty, and then we're going to ink it up with that waterproof ink. The reason I'm using waterproof ink is just I don't want it to smear off the vellum. You can use VersaFine or StazOn, and then allow it to dry. Now we're going to set our card up. I'm going to be using a piece of foam adhesive. This is stuff I buy from Walmart. It's one-sided. I'm going to cut it to a square. I'm going to place the sticky part down, remove the other sticky part, and then place our sentiment. And I don't want to rub it, so I place it backwards and press it down. And that's it. What do you think? It's quite a piece of creative stamping, don't you think? Using your watercolors. Thanks so much. Have a great day.